Okay, so this is for the Sunrise Tone Poem composition. So I'm going to start by going through the level 3 task. So in my app, I'm going to MIDI instruments. And because it's for Sunrise, I'm going to use strings because they're kind of smooth. Solo violin, sounds good. So you click on it once to select it, and you click it a second time to open up your project. At the top, go to settings. I'm going to have a slower tempo, so just by tapping on it slowly, I got it to 80. You can also use the arrows to change the speed as well. So I'm actually going to go for maybe 88. I'm going to have my counting of 1 bar so that it counts me in before I start recording. And I'm going to turn on my metronome on the bottom right by pressing that symbol on the bottom at the right, and that turns green. So now at the top, if I go back to my arrange window, I've got my piano here. I'm going to hit Q so that as I record, it makes everything in time. So make sure that Q is green and input quantization is on. If I hit play, I should hear my metronome. And then I can record and practice. Now for level 3, it's 2 bars using the pentatonic scale, which is C, D, E, G, A. For level 4, it needs to be 4 bars and it needs to be ascending. So I could start on this low C and then over 4 bars work my way up to the top. Okay, and I'm sticking to those notes C, D, E, G, A, C, D, E, G, A. Okay, so when I record, I want this to be 4 bars long. I'm going to hit record. After I've practiced, I'm going to hit record, and then I'll get a 4 beat counting, and then I'll start. So 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 4 bars. Hit stop, and then next to the green cue on the right at the top, there's a little arrow, and that will drop it down. And now I can see my 4 bars that I've recorded. And you can visually see it's going up, it's ascending. So you start low, finish high over 4 bars, and that gives you a level 4. You can see that it's gone longer than the 4 bars at the top. So I'm going to click at the edge, on that circle at the edge, to make sure it's a 4 bars. And that is done.